Chapter 2.2, Day 3, question number 7. This one you're going to find the vertex and you're going to find the axis of symmetry and y-intercept. So first thing we're going to do is to list down A, B, and C and use the axis of symmetry formula, that is x equals negative b over 2a, and that's negative 4 over 2 times negative 2, that is negative 4 over negative 4, and it is 1. So axis of symmetry x equals 1. That is also the x coordinate of the vertex. Now you're going to use this x value and plug it into the x place in the original equation, and original equation is gx equals, so g of 1 equals negative 2 1 square plus 4 times 1 minus 5. So that's going to be negative 2 plus 4 minus 5. So that is going to be negative 2 plus 4 is 2. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. So vertex is going to be 1 comma negative 3. Y-intercept is always the C part right here. So the y-intercept is going to be 0 comma negative 5. Now to graph this, we are going to first plot the 1 comma negative 3, that is the vertex point, and then we are going to follow the pattern. The pattern is going to be negative 2 times 1 comma 3 comma 5. So it's going to be negative 2 comma negative 6 comma negative 10. Starting from 1 comma negative 3, you're going to go down to, and this is going to be the axis of symmetry line passing through x equals 1. You need only 3 points to make a good looking graph, so we're going to use the vertex, that is going to be 1 comma negative 3, and then we are going to follow the pattern, that is negative 2 negative 6 and negative 10. Question number 8. So with this one you have A as 3, B 12, and C 9. So axis of symmetry is going to be x equals negative b over 2a. That's going to be negative 12 over 2 times 3. So negative 12 divided by 6 is negative 2. So x is negative 2. And then you're going to plug the value of x into the given equation and find out the y coordinate of the vertex. So when you solve this portion, 12 minus 24 plus 9, that's going to give you equals negative 3. So the y coordinate for the vertex is negative 3, x is negative 2. And now you're going to find out the y-intercept. Y-intercept is always 0 comma c, and in this case your c is going to be 0 comma 9. So this is 0 comma c. To graph it, first you're going to plot the point, that is the vertex point. So negative 2 comma negative 3. So this is this point, negative 2 comma negative 3. And the line of symmetry, which is the axis of symmetry line, that is this line. And then the pattern normally is 1 3 5, but we are going to multiply it by a, so the a outside is 3. So now the pattern is going to be 3 comma 9 comma 15. It's opens up parabola because a is positive. So whenever a is positive, it's going to opens up. So this pattern is going to go up 3. So this point right here, so up 3, up 9, and up 15. So my next point is 1 2 3. So this point right here, so up 3, and then its mirror point is this one. And then from here you're going to go up 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this point, we don't need 5 points to make a proper graph, we just need 3. If we have a space, we can make a graph for using 5 points. In this case, we are fine if you use only 3 points. Question number 9. hx equals x squared minus 10x plus 24. So to find the axis of symmetry, we need A, B, and C. So here A is 1, B is negative 10, and C is 24. The formula for axis of symmetry is x equals negative b over 2a, where b is negative 10, so you plug it in here. A is 1, so on the bottom you get 2. On the top, negative times negative would be positive 10, divided by 2 is 5. So axis of symmetry is 5. You can graph this on the graph right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be your axis of symmetry line. Now to find the vertex, you're going to use the x value and plug it in for x in the given equation. So h of 5 is 5 squared minus 10 times 5 plus 24. So 5 squared is 25 minus 50 plus 24 is negative 1. So vertex is 5 comma negative 1. So that's this point right here. Then you're going to follow the pattern. The pattern for this one is going to be 1 comma 3 comma 5. And since A is just 1, so we're going to go up 1. And then from here 1, 2, 3. And its mirror image on the other side. That's going to be your parabola, opens up. For number 10, your A is negative 1, B is 8, C is negative 12. 0 comma C, remember, is going to be a y-intercept. Since A is negative, so it's going to be an opens down parabola. Axis of symmetry is x equals negative b over 2a. B is 8, so negative 8 over 2 times negative 1. So negative negative cancel, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Use this 4 to plug it in into the given equation. You're going to find the y value. So negative 4 squared plus 8 times 4 minus 12. So negative 16 plus 32 minus 12. Negative 16 plus 32 is 16. 16 minus 12 would be 4. So vertex is going to be 4 comma 4 and axis of symmetry is 4. Y-intercept is 0 comma negative 12. Plot the point 4 comma 4 and the line passes through 4 is going to be your vertical line passes through 4. And then A is negative 1, so your pattern is going to go 1 comma 3 comma 5 is a regular one when you multiply it with negative 1. So negative 1 down, negative 3 down, and negative 5 down. So from here down 1, from this point you go down 3, and from this point you're going to go down 5. So that's one side. Follow the same pattern on the other side and you're going to get a full graph that opens down. Number 11. A equals 1, B is 6, and C is 0. Axis of symmetry is going to be x equals negative b over 2a, that is negative 6 divided by 2 times 1. That's going to be negative 3. So axis of symmetry is negative 3, and you're going to use the given equation to find the vertex y coordinate. So negative 3 squared plus 6 times negative 3. So that's going to be 9 minus 18. So that's going to be negative 9. So negative 9 for the y coordinate and for the x coordinate is negative 3. So the vertex is negative 3 comma negative 9. For number 12, you compare it with the vertex form where h comma k is going to be this point and this point. So h is negative 2, k is 1, and that is your vertex. Axis of symmetry is x equals h, and in this case is -2. So axis of symmetry is x equals -2 and vertex is -2 comma 1.